Recently there's been some changes to the National Construction Code, and so our response as Integrity New Homes is to help all of our builders implement the changes in the code. Now, one of the big changes is waterproofing, and we've developed a checklist to help our builders implement those changes. But before I run through the checklist, I just want to remind you as a homeowner why it's so important to use a builder that uses a checklist and understands these changes. In reality, what happens on most building sites is guys that are doing the waterproofing are going to site day after day, and they're not really understanding or exposed to the changes that happen at a management level of the industry. And in other words, when the National Construction Code changes, it relies on the builder to educate the guys on site. That's site supervision, of course, but who's educating the builder? And that's where we come in as a national group and help our builders understand the changes and then implement them on site. Now, you might be thinking as a homeowner, well, how does it really matter to me if a mistake's made? Well, the builder's got to fix it. Well, there's two reasons it matters to you. Firstly, a job done right the first time is obviously faster. So that means it's better for you financially as a homeowner, get the outcome quicker, get the home built on time correctly. And secondly, we don't want mistakes slipping through. In other words, a certifier misses it. If the builder knows and the tradesman knows, then we get the right outcome up front. It's great for you as a homeowner. Now, in terms of the changes, we've adopted the ABCB Housing Provisions Standard 2022 Part 10.2. Again, you're thinking, so what? How does this help me as a homeowner? What it means is you can rely on the extensive industry research has gone into developing a standard comprehensively like this, and then detailed checklists to help the builders get it right. You can see here checklists with diagrams included, information on the types of proprietary flanges that should be used. For example, leak control flanges must be installed to all plumbing penetrations to comply with that provision in the standard. So many times I see images of waterproofing being done on projects around the country. Thankfully not our builders, but I see many times these requirements not being met. So I just want to recommend the reason you'd choose Integrity New Homes builders is the safeguards that are embedded in these types of checklists.